Trading method part 38, we have our relative strength index or commodity channel index. We wait until the last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline to make a trade. Currently it's Sunday the 14th of August at 3:40 p.m. and we wait to make a trade. So this is part 38, right? Is literally 37 more parts for you to watch and get the same idea. So if this video doesn't encompass everything, then you know that the other videos will for sure. 37, 36, 35. So a little rule to life is that everything in life is absolutely possible. It's only possible if you work towards it and you work through the losses and through the failures. So be willing to fail as much times as you can, and the more you fail is the most likely a win is going to come. But it's very hard to stick through those initial failures, right? So you see that 2 loss, we do 4, and 4 would give you back $3.48, which is $2 plus $1.48 profits, which is absolutely amazing. Right, so here we wait until the last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline and we make a trade, and that's all it is. Nothing more, nothing less. And when you lose, you just do something that would give you back enough profits, right? You don't go too greedy, you don't go too hard. So the next one in line is 9. 9 would give you back if 4 loses. 9 would give you back more than 6. So you get the idea. Infinite trading method. Infinite money, infinite vibes, infinite everything, infinite love, infinite. Everything is multiplied, everything is boosted, everything is pushed to the utmost limits. So yes, good job. So now we do 2 and we wait. This is purchase deadline. Last 5 seconds, same thing again and again and again. We'll trade for like 10 minutes or more based on how I feel and based on what I feel to say, based on what we think we should talk about in this video, right? So we go down 8, 7, 6, 5. We sell here because both indicators are on their respective halfway point. So you sell, right? Even if it loses, you do 4, and 4 would give you back more than enough profits. Infinite trading method. Can't give up. You can never stop. You can never stop. Anything you choose to do, you stick to it until it works out. And unless it does work out, then you never stop. So we buy here for 4. We do 9 and we wait. Alright, so 4, 1 again. So we just go back down to 2 and we wait. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. Balance, and this is my equity. So options, back to options. Last 5 seconds, purchase deadline. Wait. So yes, here we sell for 2 again. 2 would give you back $1.74, which a dollar every minute is very good. Nice, that's another dub. Is this easy? Is it this simple? Yes. We overcomplicate things so much that we forget that things are very simple. And yeah, you can literally sit and do this for hours on end. $1 every minute. Well, $2 a minute technically. $2 a minute is $120 an hour. A little bit less than that because it's $1.74, right? And 120 an hour. And if you're trading like this, then move to Grenada where we use EC. Everything is cheaper here. And yeah, you're capable of making a lot more money and then spend it a lot less. So now you can create generational wealth from this small island. It's crazy, you know, and then you can open businesses, you can invest, you can make money, you can boost the economy, you can go from point A to point B in a short space of time. Like we're already up $2.29 from 800, so that's absolutely amazing. We're up $2. In the next trade, we'll be up 4. In the next trade, we'll be up 6. So growth is exponential, and I can technically do 5 here and make $4.35 profits, but for discipline's sake, we do 2. Right, $2, $2, $2. So here we sell again for 2, we up to 4, and we wait. If 2 loses, then we do 4, right? It's a patience game. Trading is a patience game, and this video shall not be cut. For any reasons, absolutely none. This video shall not be cut, so you understand that trading is a patience game. And I mean, the trading method is beautiful, so I appreciate it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're 7 trades in, and you see the results. So, and these are the results here. You know, all this adds up back to this, and we make our profits back every single time. Instead of all positions, go digital options every single time. So both indicators are up. We buy for 2 and we wait patiently. Infinite trading method. I am Shamoy God Trader. You can like, comment, subscribe if you like what you see. Use your RSI CCI. If they're up, you buy above the halfway points. That's up. Under the halfway points, that's down. You don't. The only indicators that make sense, the only numbers is 0 and 50. The oversell and the overbought, don't pay attention to that. Just up, buy, down, sell. Simply that. And don't be afraid to lose. With everything that you do, you will lose. So why not appreciate the losses as much as you can? Losing is a part of life. Oh my God, losing is the biggest part of life that we seem to not appreciate because it hurts, but we forget that the things that taste the worst and the things that feel the worst are the things that are actually the best for you. The medicine, the hardships, the growing pains, the exercise pains, the heartbreaks make you grow. Pain in general is a growth factor. Pain isn't something you should run from. Pain is something you should actually embrace. Learn to embrace the hardships, as you can train your mind to appreciate things going wrong, because when things go wrong, shit's gonna get a lot more worse before it could get any better. So appreciate it when it gets worse so that it can get better. Because negativity is a downward spiral. If you're continuously in a negative mindset and your thoughts are bad or negative and you're constantly going to go down. The Bible mentions it, spirituality mentions it, every religion mentions the same thing, that negative mindset equals negative results, right? It's an entrepreneurial mindset. Positive mindset equal positive results. If you tell yourself that you can, then you will. If you tell yourself that you can't, then you won't, right? Positive or good. Keeping that positive or good mindset, because you have the knowledge of good and evil. You know what is good and you know what is bad. How about you always focus on the good in life? Focus on what's good around you. Focus on the things you can appreciate. Focus on them. Focus on the good things in life, and that way you would exponentially grow. You push yourself so much forward that you'd be surprised how far you can reach. Form of mystery, eh? The life puzzle solved. Fail as much times as you can and then you will be successful. And then social media has made it easier to fail, easier to ask and to get no's. So how about you go get as much no's as you can towards your dream, and then you finally ask for what you want where you need it, and you would get it because you have gone through so much trial and error. It's in the trial and error where we become great. This trading method is very simple, but I didn't get this from one night of coming on trading. And this is if I was to show you my trading history, you would see that I lost billions of dollars trying to get to this point, but I'm finally at this point, and it's absolutely amazing, isn't it? Right, so you see that 4 loss, 4 and 2 is 6, $1.84 profit if 9 wins, and yeah, this is the beauty of it, right? You never really lose, and you know that if you keep trading every minute, doing what the indicators say, you will eventually get it. You cannot lose forever. You only lose if you give up. If I decide that, hey, you know what? I've been losing. Let me stop trading for the day. You know what? It's profits. You know the way you hear traders saying that's not the mentality you go into with anything. You either lose completely or you you have no clue, bro. Right, so it's good to have a bit of money to trade. A bit of money is a good bit of money, as in, let's say you have $1,000 to trade with, and then you trade like this with, let's say, $1 or $2. You nothing can stop you but yourself. Right, so you see that 9 lost. 9 on 1 is 10. This is 15. 19 gives you back $1.55, which is absolutely amazing. If 19 loses, we do 41. If 41 loses, we do 89. If 89 loses, we do 191, 410, 881, 1910, and 3810. 3810, sorry. Saying the numbers like that is just like, so I've been seeing numbers for a very long time. So 19, which it seems as if it's going to reject here, which I doubt it would. It's going right back up, right? So if 19 loses, then we do 41. This is the last rally for the day. So when this wins, then we stop. This has been 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this has been 12 minutes, right? And it's okay if this loses because 19 and 1, that's 20, 34. And 41 gives you $1.71 profits, which is absolutely amazing. Right, so we wait, patience, 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 you wait, you wait, you wait. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. We sell here because both indicators are under their respective halfway points. Even if 41 loses, then we do 89. So 41 and 9, that's 50, 60, 70, 50, 60, 75. And how much does 89 give you? Come on, come down. You know you want to. No, you don't want to, do you? I mean, it's not too late. Give me a banger. Bangins. Bangins. So it's 75, isn't it? So 50, 60, 75. $2.51 profits of this trade. So, you know, this may or may not be the winning trade. If it is, then good. If it isn't, then also good, because the more you lose is the more likely that you will win. You have to win, and it's just a matter of not giving up and having enough to keep going, right? You have to have fuel in the tank. So 89 is clear already, right? So we'll wait for this trade to finish, and we will see. Like, comment, subscribe. This is the last trade for the day, and even if 89 loses, check this out. Check this out. We do 191. And we're Dubskis, so 40, 50, 60, 75, $2.51 profit. Look, just 77 here. So yeah, you get the idea. Infinite trading method, part 38. GG, bro. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.